welcome back to my channel. For those of you whose first time is here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Today we're going to be doing a Dutch pour. This will be my first time ever doing a Dutch pour, so this ought to be real interesting. Hopefully I won't get paint all over the place, otherwise my husband might. Anyway, so yeah, like I said, we're doing a Dutch pour. Those of you who haven't subscribed already, make sure you smash that like button and that subscribe button. Also hit the bell to make sure you're notified when I put up new videos. I'll be putting up videos every Sunday, and hopefully soon we'll be able to put them up twice a week. Stay tuned for more of that. So let's get started. So guys, what do you think? I think that this is pretty awesome considering it's my first try at it. I absolutely love the way that this came out. I cannot wait to do more of these. I really would like to practice more, and you guys will get to see exactly what I'm going to be doing because I'll record all of them. But once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you haven't subscribed already to our channel, please like and subscribe to our channel so you can see my new content when it comes out. Thanks again. Bye guys.